Here's a review for Liven app. The first thing that you will see is you have to put on your name, and they will ask you about your gender as well as the age bracket that you are in. Afterwards, you need to fill in different prompts or ideas so that they can go ahead and personalize the account for you, such as rating how distracted you are, how often do you experience mood swings, the harmony of yourself, difficult your expressing of emotions. After filling up the necessary details and requirements for the personalization of your Liven app, you have to continue until you reach to the end. And then you will see this. You have to wait for a few seconds until it reaches 100% on personalizing your experience because they are reflecting your goals, growth areas, as well as the contents that they are going to show on your end. Afterwards, you can see that your account has already been personalized. And afterwards, you have to fill in or sign a contract, which means that you are agree to have a personalized account with the Liven app. And then, for you to be able to fully recognize it, you have to avail their plan, which is a premium account.